In this channel, you will learn everything about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of online tools and platforms like websites, social media, and email to promote and sell products digitally. It's about reaching more people through different social medias and influencing their buying decision. Evolution of digital marketing. Digital marketing began in the 1990s with the rise of the internet and websites. SEO, email marketing, and banner ads were primary tactics used. In 2000s, the emergence of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, etc. changed the landscape. Brands started communicating directly with consumers through social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and content marketing. With the advent of smartphones and mobile internet in 2010, digital marketing became more personalized and crucial. Difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Traditional marketing is done through offline channels such as television, radio, print media, billboards, etc. While digital marketing is done through various social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Tune in to learn more in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.